let's see how you did. So we're going to first cross multiply. 2 times 2x is 4x. 33 times 4, which probably don't know off the top of your head, but we can multiply using our calculator and we get 132. And when we divide by 4, which you can also use a calculator, but remember, we just multiplied 33 times 4. So 132 divided by 4 is simply going to be 33. Okay, so hopefully everyone did that one correctly. For the next problems, we're going to step up the complexity a little bit. And we're going to have y plus 6 divided by 3 equals 4 divided by 9. Now, when we cross multiply, it's important that we remember that if you're multiplying by more than one term, you have to distribute. So 3 times 4, and then y plus 6 times 9. So what does that look like? 9 times y plus 6 equals 3 times 4, which is 12. Now, because we have one number here and multiple things here, we need to distribute using multiplication. So 9 times y is 9y plus 9 times 6, which is 54. Then we have to just do a little bit more steps before we can solve for the variable. So therefore, the first thing we gotta do to isolate y is to subtract 54 from both sides. $12 minus 54 is, hopefully you have it in your head, but let's double check. 12 minus 54 is negative 42. Then we're going to divide by 9. And hopefully we know that 42 is not divisible by 9, or negative 42 is not divisible by 9, but we can simplify it. 9 is a factor of 3, and so is negative 42. So this should simplify to negative 14 thirds. Okay, so same concept, just slightly more complicated because we're multiplying by more than one term here. Let's try another one like that. B minus 8 divided by 5 equals 3/4. Let's see what we can do. So we're going to cross multiply. So I have 4 times b minus 8 equals 15. Then I'm going to distribute. 4b minus 32 equals 15. Now I'm going to give you a sec to try and solve that problem. Okay, so we should have added 32. Which gives me 47. And when I divide by 4, clearly 47 is not divisible by 4. And it's also not going to be divisible by 2. So it ends up that my fraction is simply 47/4. Okay. Let's try another one. And we're going to bump up the complexity again. N plus 1 divided by 5 equals 2n plus 4 divided by 6. Now when we cross multiply, we're going to have to end up like this, and what ends up happening is we'll have to distribute on both sides in order to continue. Now I'm going to let you see if you can finish that one out and come up with an answer for the challenge one.